In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know where you are signed in on LinkedIn. If you want to check which devices or sessions currently have access to your LinkedIn account, LinkedIn makes that easy to review from your account settings. This is a useful habit for privacy and security, especially if you've logged in on a shared computer, an old phone, or a device you no longer use. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your feed. This is the main homepage where you normally see posts, updates, and activity from your network. Make sure you're already signed in to the account you want to review. Once you're on the feed page, look toward the top of the screen and click on Me. This opens the account menu where LinkedIn keeps profile, account, and settings related options. If you're using a different screen size, the layout may look slightly different, but the Me menu is still the place you'll want to open. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This takes you to the main area where LinkedIn stores your account controls. It's where you can manage things like visibility, security, and general account preferences. When the settings page opens, find and click on Sign In and Security. This section focuses specifically on account access and protection. It's the best place to review how your account is being used and from where. Next, click on Where you're signed in. This is the section that shows your active sessions or recent sign-ins across devices and browsers. In other words, it helps you see where your LinkedIn account is currently logged in. Once you're there, take a moment to review the list carefully. You may see details such as device type, browser, or location information. This can help you recognize whether each session belongs to you. If everything looks familiar, then you're all set. If you notice a device, location, or session that doesn't look right, that may be a sign that you should secure your account right away. As a general tip, if you ever spot anything suspicious, it's a good idea to sign out of unfamiliar sessions and update your password as soon as possible. You may also want to review any additional security options available in the same section. That's how to check where you're signed in on LinkedIn. It only takes a minute, and it's a smart way to keep your account more secure.